Welcome to week 4, where we'll address one of the most critical aspects of facility management: emergency planning and response. Every facility manager hopes they'll never face a serious emergency, but hoping isn't a plan. The question isn't if an emergency will occur, but when. Your preparedness determines the outcome. So ACSM Chapter 3 in our textbook identifies emergencies we must be prepared for. It also tells us the standards for emergency planning and policies. And I'm not going to go over each one of these in detail, but you'll need to refer to these for our assignment this week. So there are the different types of emergencies we do need to plan for are cardiac events, which are the most serious types of emergencies. We have musculoskeletal injuries. We have metabolic injuries such as hypoglycemia or a heat illness, environmental emergencies, and facility emergencies, fires, natural disasters, and active threats. The emergency action plan is your facility's emergency playbook. It must be written and specific to your facility. You need to practice on a regular basis. All the staff needs to know it. It needs to be posted in a visible location so other people can find it, and reviewed and updated annually. During emergencies, when everybody must know their role, your EAP or Emergency Action Plan should clearly identify who takes charge, who calls 911, who retrieves the AED, who clears the area, and who documents everything. Emergency equipment and supplies must be accessible within 3 minutes. Properly maintained and inspected. All staff must know how to use it, and appropriate for your facility size and type. Standard emergency equipment includes AEDs, first aid supplies, emergency contact information, and facility communication devices. The 3-minute rule. Brain damage from cardiac arrest begins within 3 to 4 minutes. Your facility must have a working AED accessible within 3 minutes from anywhere in the facility. Map your facility and plan accordingly. Staff training requirements. All staff must maintain current certifications in AED and CPR, first aid, emergency response protocols specific to your facilities. Training isn't a one-time event. It requires regular practice drills. After an emergency, documentation is critical. Incident reports should include date, time, and location of the injury, names of all involved parties, sequence of events, actions taken place, outcomes, and witness statements. Never admit fault, but always document facts accurately. Your facility doesn't operate in isolation. Develop relationships with the local emergency services. Invite them for facility tours. Share your floor plans. Identify best access points. Practice coordination drills. This week's assignment, you'll develop an AI-assisted emergency action plan. This is one of the most important assignments. Take time to make it specific, practical. Lives may depend on it. Emergency preparedness isn't optional. It's a professional and ethical obligation. You also have a Chapter 3 practice quiz. and we'll do our Chapter 3 Courage and Calling Reflection discussion. As always, if you have questions on what we're doing, please ask.